right, guys, so we are starting our Golden Allure shenanigans. We're going to be mixing this with the other ones. This is just part one. I wanted to remind y'all what the gold wax can do by itself. I'm just going to double layer this strip here because it is a little thin and she has that deep crease. Usually with deep creases, I try to break the strip up into two, but I was feeling like I was brave and bold today, and Sexy Smooth Wax was just going to get the job done. And it didn't give me that much of a trouble, but just a little bit, So what happens here with the crease, guys, is it gets stuck sometimes because it takes longer to dry in the creases. I don't know why. It's just the thing that happens. But the wax still delivered. I mean, look at that. You see that? I'm going to go sideways now. This is the best method for this particular client. And look, I still went in that crease. I don't forgot, y'all. You see, wax lady be tired. That's okay. I'm going to just get it over with and it's going to come out the way it's supposed to because I can't do nothing about it. Y'all got to see me mess up sometime, okay? Don't forget, guys, Sexy Smooth Wax still has amazing deals on all their waxes. Plus, it's August, so you get to use this code right here. And save you an extra 10% off your order if you're ordering more than 11 pounds. So we're getting this last section here, and we're just using the tip of the stick. That's where the most pressure in the wax stick is. So don't forget to apply pressure by any measure. I am going to try my best to extract that big bump at the top if you see her underarms. The wax kind of took care of the other ones, the little ones, but I think there was a little tiny hair stuck in there. So I'm just going to explore that, and we're going to see what we can get. So using my little extracting tool here, and yep, there was a little tiny hair in there. Be careful when you're tweezing so you don't break the hair. Sometimes there's tension because it's really stuck in there, but get a good grip and usually it comes out. Follow up with aftercare. Make sure she does as well so this doesn't happen again. And thanks for watching. Go watch part 2.